Hello guys, Tashi Dile. Welcome back to our Ajang's YouTube channel. So today we are going to Dharamkot and all of a sudden plan बन गया था. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था कि धर्मकोट जाएगा, कुछ प्लान नहीं था, बस आ गया और जा रहे हैं. और ये आजंग का YouTube चैनल है जो आज हम लोग ने शुरू किया है. She's shopping for us, like we are going to take some snacks.
चोको कौन पिएगा?
सोनम क्या क्या ले रहे हैं?
हम चोको लेगा
और
ये मिक्स फ्रूट जूस लेगा
ओके और
ये हाँ इतना ही लेगा क्या हम लोग? तुम क्या पिएगा? चोको पिएगा?
होगा. ओके शो मी दिखाओ. ये सब लिए है. आजंग यहाँ में कुछ स्नैक्स ले रहे हैं. गाइस दैट प्लेस इज धर्मकोट. ये जो अभी जहाँ पे हम लोग खड़ा है ये जगह इज टशिता दिस प्लेस एंड that is Dharamkot. It was our it is our today's destination. We are going to visit Dharamkot, explore Dharamkot and show you around. Stay tuned. Oh, now we are heading towards Dharamkot's main town. It's kind of a village, but it is like larger than a village. And at this place you can witness the serene beauty of nature. And these are our today's members. Thank you. So I'm drinking a Tropicana Guava Delight. Sonam, what are you drinking?
I'm drinking choco after a long time.
Okay.
I'm also
And
going to drink acapella.
Ajang bought a water for himself.
Aku pemba botol.
Okay, so like now we are at Dharamkot, entering Dharamkot, and after Dharamkot we'll head towards Baksu. It's a waterfall, but during it's peak winter, right? So the waterfall won't be very large. So yeah, but still I will try to show you all around. This is the market area of Dharamkot.
You don't.
ये धर्मकोट का लोकल मार्केट है शायद से. यार यहाँ पे मतलब ट्रेडिशनल वेयर्स मिलते हैं और कुछ कुछ ट्रेडिशनल अटायर्स, ज्वेलरीज यू कैन सी.
So now we are heading to Baksu. We will be hiking to Baksu, 4 of us together, and don't go to my dress we had a long walk from Dharamkot halfway, so it's quite bright sunny day, so yeah. So it is a off season for tourists now actually, but nothing much to see in winters, only there is snowfall then yeah. So you can look to this once in nature. It's upper Baksu area we have reached. This way we will see the nature. You can see the beautiful pool. Yeah, stay tuned. Now let's head towards our destination Baksu around the way, and yeah, nature feels like it's very much healing, you know. If you are stressed out with your college issues, studies, just come and enjoy the nature. I could say nature is the best medicine. Yeah, nature works better than a medicine. So I would suggest you to be intact and in touch with nature. So let's move.
During trekking we get to face many problems. So now we are off-roading. I think there some construction going on nearby, so road and the way isn't that good, so yeah, you can say we are off-roading, right? Let's move forward and show you more. Sonam, so how is your experience about today's trekking?
It's very good. the weather is very good.
Okay.
And to be very honest, I love to walk.
Okay.
I would prefer walking in the nature.
Yeah, so what would you say the audience and the viewers about the nature, and like what's your suggestion to them?
So basically, if you guys really want to travel and then get a peace of mind, you guys should totally, like for sure, visit Dharamshala. There are many great places here. Dharamshala itself is a great place. And then
Okay.
their views are really awesome.
Okay.
It's really good. You guys can visit.
Okay, so now let's go to our next audience and ask them their experience about today's trekking. Ajang and Ajala, how's your experience about today's trekking?
Actually, very good and nice weather.
Okay.
If you come in summer, it will be better.
Okay.
Because this is right now this is off season.
Okay.
So everybody is in their own country. So this all are very
Okay, so Ajang, like he used to stay Dharamshala only, and he has more experience about this. So let us ask him about how is the weather condition this year? Like, what is the weather
This
condition?
year, the weather condition is unpredictable.
Okay.
Sometime cold, sometime warm, sometime rain.
Okay. So now we are deciding which way to go.
We have three way.
Okay.
So we are 3% different view.
And Ajang, like now, how much long we have to walk again?
10 to 15 minutes.
Okay. So exactly which place we are going?
Baksu.
Like behind this?
Behind this.
Okay. So we are
There's the water. This go.
Waterfall.
now we are heading to.
पीछे कर रहा है.
हाँ, we are heading to Baksu, and it is behind this smaller place, not that mountain. This place we have to go behind this. Then I will show you something there. Let's go. So now see, both of us, we are still on the way. We haven't reached Baksu yet. It's a long way to go. Like it will take around 10 to 15 minutes more.
But then we are enjoying the ride.
Yeah.
No, it's really good.
And today's weather is also like it's
Very
cooperating
friendly,
with us,
yeah.
right? It's neither so hot, neither too cold. Usually it's a peak winter, so it's quite cold here. But today's weather is wow. So let me show you the behind scene. See our Ajang and Ajala. They are moving, like they are going before us, and like
They're
leading us. Both of us also, we have like it's our first time at Baksu. At Dharamshala we are at, it's our first time, right? Like we have come here before, but we didn't roam to many places, we didn't visit many places. So with the help of our Ajang, we have gone to many places. We will show you in our later vlogs. Bye bye. Hey again, now we are at the main Baksu area. Means we are at the market area. This is the beautiful flower, and the name of this place, like it's kept under some like god, their god, like Baksunath. It's a name of a god. So yeah, the place is known as Baksu. We are at its main market. So we are not going to exactly explore the market, but I can show you some of the market area, and you can look the crowd. It's a tourist area, obviously. So look at the crowd. These are the marketplaces. By looking at the crowd only, you can say that yeah, it's quite a beautiful place and quite a good place to visit. These are the traditional wares. It's a local market.
Oh, come, Golgappa.
Okay.
मैं बोल का बस आगे लग.
Shimay umar na.
Yeah.
वापस आके खाएगा क्या आजम?
क्या?
हाँ. These are the local market area. And let's ask Ajang about this market. Oh,
Take
there are
care.
some shades. We can, yeah, you can try on shades. Oh. We can get.
You can try this one.
Ajang.
एक चश्मा ने चेहरा को पहन लिया
Thank you.
एक चेहरा ने चश्मा पहन लिया वाह
Sonam, Shosa. Last penalty. Show, jaldi show.
इधर sedang montekan tes इधर sedang montekan
ये ठीक है क्या glass?
Nah.
ट्रांसपेरेंट मत पहनो, कुछ कलर ब्लैक पहनो. ये वाला. This one is different from the nice.
जो चश्मा पहनेगा यहाँ मुड़ के देखो हाँ वाह
Yo.
Hey, what happened to your glass? Where's this one?
Chal.
wow
Ready for the
Tinted.
trial now.
Yo.
10 taps are here 3 idiots idiots
Yo, okay.
जब बोले तो
We are exploring the market now. Yes.
this is
the name of the
This
market
is the local
this
market
is
of
guide from
Bakso.
Misho.
Not actually the guide. I have I came first time at this place Bakso. So come, let me show you
Chal.
some
It's a baking.
These things are handmade.
One for you, one for me.
It's a handmade, right? These are handmade, and these are the local wear. Like you will find many tourists wearing.
Buy one, get one.
It's a local wear of this place. The stalls are also very famous, and they are the local stalls. Come, let me show you some. She's our Ajala, and she's very awesome. Where's Ajang? आगे जगह पीछे See, these are the local heads. These are like handmade, I guess, handcrafted. If you want some, you can come to this shop and take them. Like you have to purchase them, not take them.
Okay.
Home decoration है ये सब तो. They are very beautiful. बस देखना है. These are very cute, very beautiful dream catchers. Okay, this is the main gate. It's written like Gorkha Rifles, like made by them maybe. So let's go. It is the main gate for the entrance of Bakso waterfall area. We just have entered and now we are leaving towards the waterfall. Let's go. Many people keep looking at me with the camera. Okay, this is the first Gorkha Rifles
Cold, man.
and their beautiful swimming pool
You can put your feet
in the water. Like, but it will be quite cold, right? It's like it's a holy water.
Yes. Here under here. Point.
Okay. Okay, it is a wish pond. Like we can wish here, right? It's a holy place. If you want to wish something for something, like you can come here and wish. And this is the swimming pool. Like winter, but still there are some people like in the pool. So let's go. And look.
ये पानी कहाँ से निकलते हो किसी को मालूम नहीं
Okay, मतलब ऐसा ही है. मतलब अभी तक
Mystery.
it's a mystery. Like the water, no one knows. Either it's an underground water or it comes from somewhere, but nobody knows. So let's do some research on it by moving forward and asking some people, like some local people of here. Let's go.
Baksu.
Okay.
It's not.
It's also a like very tiny small place, kind of a gully. You can find some local thrifts here like clothes, and it's very much crowded with a lot of people. We are moving forward.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, that's the place. Like this is the place, but there's no waterfall due to the winter. But there are still many people visiting this place. So like by looking at the crowd only, you can say how much good the place is, or like how famous is the place and how beautiful is the place. Let's okay, I will buy you this while we are leaving. Okay. So see, there are many people. So like by looking at the crowd only, you can describe. We have to go to that place. That's very beautiful. Kashi dile.
Look here.
That's a dam, kind of a dam, right?
No.
Okay, that's cycling.
Yes.
Oh, that's an adventurous one. Like if you want to try,
500.
okay, like for going 500, for coming 500. But that's quite adventurous. If you want to try, you can come here and try it at Baksu only. Way to Baksu. And so while moving forward, we have met some cute little pets, and it is a rabbit. Sonam. So let's move forward. Let's go. We are almost there, but still we have a long way to go. We have to go to that place, and that's quite beautiful.
Small party going on here.
Oh wow, that's a picnic,
Yeah,
right, of
family
people.
party, maybe.
Sorry for the disturbance, but yeah, they look quite a good, happy family.
Wow.
That's a zip line.
God bless them.
That's a zip line. If you want to come here, you can go there. Well, like, yeah, it's not actually begging, but he got a. He's very talented, right? Yeah, like he's earning. It's not that he's begging or something. He's just earning like by playing music and all.
That's true.
Kashi the leg. Okay, we are moving forward. Which cafe is Lockdown Cafe? Oh, look, that's an art. And this you can see, it is a local freezer. You don't need a fridge here. We can move. And this cafe is known as the Lockdown Cafe, and it's quite beautiful and a good place. Moving forward, we'll find many of such cafes, I guess. There are many tourists and many local people. Let's keep on moving, guys. And like, we are almost there, but still a long way to go. Let's see you at the spot. क्या हुआ जंग? Wow, it's very beautiful places. See the views. It's like wow. All I can say is a wow only. So I would recommend this place to any of the viewers like who have not come to Baksu before. You can come to this place. It's very beautiful. It's winter and there's no exact a waterfall. Still the place is like it's worth it. You won't regret coming to the place. Now, like before going to the waterfall area, we are here at the zipline place. Like if you dare and if you have that, but see, this is the zipline place. Like from here to that end, that's the end here, and this is the starting point. And maybe we will be on a zip line, I guess. Let me show you more from the near. Yayo Yajang, huh? Aja.
Do you want to try?
No.
Sonam,
Yes.
can you?
Yes, yes.
ना but हम नहीं सकेगा तो आजा okay
500 just say.
one person 500
Oh my god.
very costly
Ini bapak ibu tuh aja itu aku mau ngambil lah cycle di tayar. Iya dah. Orang mau tuh tiongdur, tiong beda. boleh na.
But it's kind of risky. Oh!
Lagi है क्या?
नहीं शायद से उसका पगड़ी में लगा है गैस पर पर्सन 500 तो भी ज़्यादा है
टूरिस्ट प्लेस है ना
साइकिलिंग और वो
इससे तो अच्छा ये नज़ारा ले लो बस फ्री में
हम टूरिस्ट नहीं है
तो सुनो नहीं आता
아, tour cycle 동호회는
ऐसे है क्या अच्छा वो साइकिल तो सुधर नहीं क्या बात है
So now moving forward after the zip line, like we have seen the zip line, it was Sonam wanted to try but it was very costly, 500 per person. So like we didn't do the zip line, we just have seen the zip line. And now we are going to a cafe. What is the cafe name?
Wait, it's a surprise. Come.
Okay, let's go now. She is the guide for now. She's going to show us the cafe area. Let's go. Sonam, tell us something about the cafe first.
Come.
Ignore my laugh, guys. It's not good.
So here's the cafe.
Okay.
The name of the cafe is No Name Cafe.
Okay. So as you got it, the cafe's
Very beautiful.
yeah, the cafe's name is No Name Cafe. Okay, you can see the signboard there. And let me show you something inside. Like this is the art, I guess. Art of the cafe. See? Wow, it's like very beautiful. You can see all this. Sculptured. It's an sculptured. Sculptured is that art that is like done on this stone by curving it. So yeah, it's sculptured and yeah, the place is quite small and very cozy. Chai chilam chap aarti. I don't know what does that mean, but yeah, something about the tea only. You can look at the beautiful sculptures. And all the trekkers are quite tired now. Yeah, so this is the main cafe. If you come to Baksu, then do visit this cafe for sure. It's like cozy and the views are quite beautiful. Yeah, and that is the main destination we wanted to go. That is Baksu's waterfall that up there, right? Actually it's a winter, so there's no waterfall, but still you can view the beautiful scenarios and the mountains. It's like worth visiting this place. We cannot say there's no waterfall, it's a loss, but still the view is just like a wow. It's so beautiful. And there are like, it's a tourist place obviously, so yeah, there are many tourists. From here you can see the view. That the zip line just now we went, like we have gone there and asked them that. And see, now all of them are tired. Ajala, Chetan, what happened to you? She's quite tired and she don't want to say even a single word, I guess. She's looking, yeah, she's looking at someone there. No one's out there. Ajang, how did you like the trekking with us?
Very boring.
Guys, ignore this word. Ajang mean to say it's way too nice, but like, yeah. And look at the view, like it's very much refreshing at these places. Due to more people, you can hear some like music or people's noise, but other than that, no noise of any vehicle, anything. So if you want to refresh yourself, then do come to this place. Bye bye, see you at the waterfall. We have started our trekking after staying at a no-name cafe for at least 5 minutes. So let's go. I will show you the Baksu more. Let's explore Baksu together. So see, this is the creativity of people. Oh, wow. Like under those are waste cans and bottles which they are using as to write something. So such a good creativity of people. So after a short while, we are almost at our destination. Still got some time to go. Guys, so finally we are at the waterfall, as you can see. So there are some tourists coming from the waterfall. If you want, I can ask them about their experience, like how was their experience. Hello.
Hey.
So how was your experience at the waterfall?
वाटरफॉल में वाटर ही नहीं है.
Okay, it's winter, right? So, but what about the views?
We did not go for the waterfall.
We went for Triun. We're coming from Triun.
Oh, okay. So you have gone to the Triun.
Yeah.
So how's the weather there and like how's the view?
It's sunny. It's very sunny weather.
Okay. So
View
actually,
is amazing.
where are you from?
We're from Kangra.
Okay. Thank you. So done with asking some tourists. Actually, my bad. They have not gone to the waterfall. They have gone to the Triun trekking area. It's a mountain place, like up there maybe. Yeah, it's up there. So there's a trekking area. They can go there. The tourists just now we have met was like not come for the Baksu waterfall. Yeah, I asked them, but they were like, there's no water at the waterfall. It was so obvious for their reaction, but they were like, yeah, it's a beautiful view. And they're from Kangra, only it's a district in Himachal Pradesh, so it's near only. So like, yeah, they may have visited this place before, and they have gone to the Triun. Triun is at that height. It's a trekking area and it's quite good. If you want to come, you can visit Triun for sure. And now we are at the waterfall. with no waterfalls. There are many tourists coming. Wait, wait, wait!
No, wait. Shivji.
Oh, it's a cute little Shivji and art by some Sahil Chaudhary. It's quite beautiful. Let's go! Guys, finally way to waterfall. Let's see. After a long wait, we have reached the waterfall, but
No waterfall.
there's no water at the waterfall because it's winter. But still, there are many people, like many people,
Waterfall.
many tourists. There's
No
no,
water.
there is water, but it's in a very minimum quantity, a very limited quantity, you know. And like many people, this is quite beautiful. Finally, this is the waterfall. No, we don't have quite amount of water, but still, yeah, it's worth coming here. The places, the views. If you have come here for the first time, then you would love the view for sure. Like, yeah, you can see it from here. Like, yeah, at first we were quite disappointed from the waterfall, but it's winter and what can we expect, right? Many people. Hey guys, now like ignore her voice. Now we are back from Baksu waterfall and now we are heading back to Megalodganj, our like home place, you can say. We stay at Megalod, so yeah, now we are heading back and this is some part and some area of Baksu. Now we are going and let's meet you at the lunch. Bye bye. Hello, so we are finally at our lunch place now. अच्छा ये kitchen का नाम क्या है? We are at the Megalodganj Tibet kitchen. So let's see what we are going to have for our lunch. We all are so tired. But this place is quite cozy and nice. Let me show you. Emma, that's in na chupa or chupa. Utani dishes. So this is Ajang and Ajala Sonam. We all are on a table and we are at the, like we sat down on a floor and that's the on different table. We get that option here also, and like the decorations and the furnitures are well furnished and decorated, and that's also an option. The hotel is
Next में Chinese sauce कर दूँ. Porchetta semi gravy. Mutton curry. Chicken drumstick. ठीक से खाना है.
Okay guys, so after a long wait, our food is finally here. As you can see, mixed vegetable fried rice, chicken drumstick, that's a mutton curry, and that is mixed vegetable in Chinese soup, white rice. Oh, sorry, this is mutton curry. This is Shabda, it's a Tibetan dish. Semi gravy. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so let's start eating. After food, I'm going to join you guys. Bye bye. ये लंच हो गया. अजंग से पूछ लेगा. अजंग, कैसा था खाना?
बहुत अच्छा लगा तो
हाँ.
पहले तो हम सोचा अभी खा नहीं पाएंगे ना, फिर खाते खाते खत्म हो गया. कैसे खत्म हो गया पता भी नहीं चला.
तो अजंग क्या क्या वैरायटी था आज?
शब्दा था नॉन वेज में, और चिकन ड्रम स्टिक था, और मटन करी भी था, और वेज में मिक्स वेज चाइनीज़ का स्टाइल में,
हाँ.
और फ्राइड राइस था, वेज फ्राइड राइस, और टिम्मो और वाइट राइस.
ओके.
इतना सारा खाना.
आजा. आजा. कैसा था खाना? How was the food? Sonam,
10 out of 5.
how was the food?
It's really good.
Okay.
I ate the most. I ate
Okay.
a lot.
So, okay, so this is like this is end of our today's lunch vlog. I'm going to give you मतलब आज हम लोग ने हमको मतलब यहाँ का लंच अच्छा था, खाना अच्छा था. खाना को मतलब डिस्क्राइब करने से तो लाइक आउट ऑफ 10 अगर रेट करने से आई वुड लाइक टू रेट इट 9.5. और यहाँ का हॉस्पिटैलिटी लोग भी अच्छा है. और यहाँ का लेकिन जो एक व्यू है, एक अच्छा सा स्पॉट है, वो अच्छा है. लाइक नीचे में एक ट्रेडिशनल वे में बैठ करके खाना खाना. लाइक अगर आप टेबल पे कंफर्टेबल है तो टेबल में भी है. एंड लाइक most of us, like in our Tibetan culture, we prefer to sit down during while having our food. So that's all for today.
The best thing about this hotel is the toilet is very clean.
Yeah, it's very neat and tidy. और यहाँ का सब कुछ मतलब एक ऑर्गेनाइज्ड और अच्छा वे में है. तो लाइक do visit the Tibet kitchen at McLeodganj. Location will be given in the description. Bye bye.
इसका नज़ारा थोड़ा दिखाओ.
Okay. You see, there are like many people. This is the area, and look at it. मतलब नज़ारा देखो, like very beautiful. There are many courts, you know, beautiful courts and all. These are also a court. And this area is the like table area. If you prefer to sit on the table and have food. That is the counter area. You can check out the counter area too. And here is also the like we are at the second floor. We are at the second floor. It has third floor तक है ना? Ground for second floor. Okay, there is a roof also, but we are at the second floor. So now again we are done with our lunch and we are moving to the counter. Done with the lunch. I had a lot of like food and it was quite good. Now moving towards the counter. Ajangla is paying the bill. Lighting isn't that good here, so yeah, don't mind. We are at the top floor. वहाँ से थोड़ा व्यू दिखा देगा. Let me show you the like outer view of the restaurant. This is the outer area. And this is the market area, McLeod Park. Let's go. This is the second section. It's on the first floor. We were on the second floor. There are many people moving forward. done with our lunch. Now we will be leaving to our home. So see you there. Bye bye. So after our lunch, we were heading back to our home. So we have visited the resident of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama at McLeodganj. So we are at the monastery now. The painting work is going on. So that is His Holiness the Dalai Lama. So some repairment or painting is going on. So I cannot show you the inside one. Now let's move to the upper part. Drive up and I will show you around. Let's go. Entrance on the other side. I'm going to show you the beautiful serene beauty of McLeod from here. Look, just like it's just very beautiful and very peaceful. We're heading in the monastery now. This is also the entrance to the monastery if you want to go inside. Then first we will go for 3 koras, then we will enter in the monastery. And that is the subway of Dharamshala, like that. From there you can look, there's a subway station there. If you want to enjoy this, you can enjoy and look at the beautiful mountains around here. See, I'm going to show you the upper part. Look at that beautiful mountains covered with white snow and very beautiful. So we were waiting for this. Where is the subway? We used to call it cable car. I've shown you before that is the subway station, and yeah, see here to there. Wow. So again now we have started our exploring once again. I cannot take off my eyes from that beautiful mountain. Sonam, look here. It's like very beautiful, and yeah. Let's continue with the Kora. And these are known as mani. We call it manis. Mani. We call it mani. We just have to like clockwise, right? Yeah, turn it clockwise by chanting some mantra. We call it Om Mani Padme Hum. Yeah, and this is the beautiful place. Now we are moving forward and we are going to enter the Gompa. Then I will show you there. So moving forward, we will go inside the monastery if time permits. Let's say, and I will show you around if we go inside, but now not decided yet. Let me show you around some of the places from here. People here are like, see, that is praying. People keep praying like this. And here, like during the season or during some time, you will find the 14th Dalai Lama Ji. Like you will get to meet him if you take an appointment. And this is the down floor area. Okay, I'm going to show you that part too. That is the beautiful places and like the beautiful mountains around. You can see these are quite mesmerizing too. If you come to Dharamshala or Himachal Pradesh, like I would really suggest you to come to Dharamshala and do once visit this monastery. It's also the like resident place of our 14th Dalai Lama. And here, so now Sonam and me, we will show you around inside. अच्छा सोची करेगा तो. Now this is the entrance part, like, but we don't enter from here. We are going to enter from the back side, right? So this is the same place I've shown you before. I will show you around. And there are like many people, many worshippers of the 14th Dalai Lama who comes here like every evening for enchanting mantras and chorus. Let me show you the inside part. We are going to enter from, this is the entrance way, and if I can, I will show you the inner part of the monastery, inner part of the temple. Here we should keep our shoes. Okay. Okay, this is the monastery. This is the goddess. It's green Tara, as you can see. Okay, actually, like I would have shown you the inside part of the monastery, but it is prohibited here. Like we cannot video shoot or take photographs inside. So sorry, I couldn't like take you inside together. So yeah, and actually the monastery is known as Kala Chakra temple. It's named after the god and goddess of our Tibetan culture. The same branch of this monastery we also have at Arunachal Pradesh, Tirang. This is Kala Chakra Gompa, and it was like one kept by Dalai Lama only. So the inner part wall couldn't show you. Next time, if we get a chance, if we can take a permission, then I will surely show. Here, this is from the entrance, because they don't allow photography or videography inside the temples. So yeah, I'm going to show you the like different part of the monastery. It's also in the same, but here we can do a videography maybe. So let's go inside and keep quiet. Leave our shoes here. And this is the entrance. Pujas are going on, and here like this is the inside inner part of the temple. Many people. These are the Tibetan scriptures. Here. This is the prasad. You can say we call it as a Jenlov or a thok. It's a sweet. Done my slippers. Now we will move out of the place. We are done with our visiting and meeting everything now. Let's go and see you at home. Bye bye. So abhi now like we have come back from the Dalai Lama temple, and now we are going back home, heading back home, and you can see this beautiful view. Like It's very beautiful. And now again we are off-roading from here also. We are heading back and back. And the pine trees here are like way too long and much beautiful. Very beautiful. Everything is beautiful. So this is Aja. And there comes Sonam and Satanla. They are coming. This is the pine forest. You can say it's like very beautiful. फाइनली हम लोग अभी अपना घर पहुंच गया यहाँ पे, और अभी जा कर के रेस्ट करेगा थोड़ा, फिर शाम को वॉक पे निकलेगा. ओके, बाय बाय, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट व्लॉग.